Super T. Stop it. Yo, the ramping, you know who is beside me? It's all about Pinky. It's all about Pinky. You don't know Pinky famous. And she's here. What's up, Pinky?
Not much. You good?
Yeah, man, no, are you good? Everybody are talk about the video, that education song, Pinky. And me say you have a surprise. She have a song left for this summer. But guess what? Super T, Pinky's in the... Oh, no, I just feel excited. Yeah, me just like and feel the vibes. And people remember, the phone line fixed now, so we don't have no more phone problem. 414-1044. Call in 414-1044. The phone line fixed, no more phone problem. So Pinky famous is here and this is live. Pinky, old school now, no, you're done. You're getting to be a mega star. Old school, what go on? What the people them say now? Everybody excited?
Yeah, and them want another video too.
In the summer video?
Yeah.
Yeah, because everybody I say, let me tell you the truth. Every time I go up on the road, people say, Blacker, it's the video that we have in a top 20 countdown, the Pinky famous. Me just like it. You know, the song, them love your song and everything, Pinky. I feel proud. And people, this is a premiere, world premiere. I'm going to make the them go right over to Super T, the selector them. Them are going to drop the premiere of the song. Yeah. The song is mad. So, right now, we are going over to Super T them. And me go talk now. Super T, this is the world premiere and Blacker Top 20 video countdown. Pinky famous summer song. Drop it! Let me tell you something, Pinky famous. That song that too bad. Are you there? Me if you make it a play, you're mad. You come beat live, make them know it's not a joke thing. Pinky famous, live and Blacker, top 20 video countdown. This is live, people. When she done, if you want to yell her up, 414-1044. I'm going to turn the selector now. Pinky famous, take it away.
Summertime for step up the place. If you see a trouble, make her just make up your face. True tell them enough get today. Enough fast food for spam and I shake. Have some fun when summer come. With some friends, don't have no guns. Remember God didn't give a life, so we must try and live it right. Have some fun when summer come. With some friends, don't have no guns. Remember God didn't give a life, so we must try and live it right. Hey, watch this. All students stay out of trouble when the holiday. Girls don't try go the mommy way, cause mommy and daddy pay. Enough attention to you from Sunday to Saturday. But boys try to be slick, have a nice gym, a nice chat. Guess what? Not a fat split. Loose life when the practice. Don't fall a shaggy trend, get bombastic. Have some fun when summer come. With some friends, don't have no guns. Remember God didn't give a life, so we must try and live it right. Have some fun when summer come. With some friends, don't have no guns. Remember God didn't give a life, so we must try and live it right.
Hey.
My door reach the ear, she go chug it. Sunshine and miss when we dance it. Shopping on a Saturday, church on a Sunday, Dolphin Cove, we love it.
Hey.
Think big about me, a little pitney. Mommy and daddy never box nor kick me. Cause them show me love, I'ma never back answer them. Have some fun when summer come. With some friends, no knife, no guns. Remember God didn't give a life, so we must try and live it right. Have some fun when summer come. With some friends, no knife, no guns. Remember God didn't give a life, so we must try and live it right. Not you alligator.
No. Run track second. The school song, them are ball feet. Bust it, Pinky, the education song, cause you say education. Drop it, track second.
You know it's your girl, Pinky famous. Music, skin, production, and sing. Yeah, oh.
Not become a sing, both school, both side. Nothing, so I put education aside. I turn up the thing like a blackberry ping and put time my dolly house things aside. My daddy was an artist 8 to 9. He never get the bus, but I'm in mind. Him send me go school, so me not turn a fool like some parents pick me where pick up 9. Oh, hey, oh, yeah. Educate the youngster them, set a better lifestyle for them. Run your pocket some money for spend, and you get it back in the end. And educate the youngster them, set a better lifestyle for them. Run your pocket some money for spend, and you get it back in the end. And some parents are poor, but I don't know watch. If a girl is a selfie, give them comfort. No teach them for up, cause that a dead chop, pinky famous, not like that. Teach the youth about them black history, not to bleach out them face to look like zombie. Martin Luther, Garvey, Marley, them the great icons inspire me.
Yes, you say, don't bleach out them face and look like no zombie. No, I'm going to show them how you're versatile. Listen to Pinky Famous Panda one drop, yeah? Drop track 3. Drop track 3. Shut it, please.
Closer to you, closer to you.
Yeah.
Closer to
If you don't know how I feel for you, this time I let all feeling show. Oh, I love you, and I never let you go. No, baby. Right now, we're just friends. I hope and pray you surrender to love so tender. I won't push you as long as you know that my love is true. Get closer to you, baby. Hey, closer than just friends. I want to get closer to you, baby. Hey, closer than just friends.
Pull up. Jeez. No Pinky Famous people. Talented. I'm telling you, you know. See her here for yourself. People, this is not no joke. Look at that camera there. This is no joke thing. I'm telling about Black Earth Top 20 video countdown. Take me show simple. People, if you know what's one call in right now, just big up Pinky Famous. I don't tell already, man. Don't mean you in the credit. No worry yourself. It's all about 414-1044. Call in right now and get her big up. Get her big up, make you know so no. Respect what she do and love what she do and look a new girl this on the black. And when now go stop see me and play a thing them. Hold on, we have a caller. Hello? 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 Yeah, we are here, but you're not come to. Hello?
Oh, go on.
Yeah, me I hear you now. What go on? Me I hear you now. Yeah, say what go on? Me I hear you. Next caller. Hello? Yeah, me I hear you. Hello? Yeah, but hear more you though. When you call him, you turn on the TV, man, so we can't hear clear what you say. Turn on the TV, man. Yeah, what you say, my general? Big her up, man. Yeah.
Thanks.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. It's a bad man. Big him up, Pinky.
Thanks and big up yourself, Zit.
All right, no say nothing. Zane, big up the man. And Shaka there Mobile too, you know. Rasta Fest, Shaka there Rasta Fest in a Mobile, you know. The 28th. Next caller. Yeah, man, the phone I work, man. Just call in and turn down the TV. Pinky Famous in the house. Yeah, man, I have to respect our people. Pinky, why you tell the people them where you're going to be performing?
Well, I'm going to be at Rasta Fest, Nature Village Farm, Anchovies, St. James.
Yeah.
Yeah, the 28th
Yeah.
this month.
Yeah.
And Rasta Fest in Canada too, the
Yeah.
25th of August.
Yeah.
And Sister Fest, it's a sell-off Tuesday the 24th of this month. And it's a female thing, border clash. You're going to have Big Mama Son from Germany,
Yeah.
Yomi from Tokyo,
Yeah.
Rebel Daughters from Brooklyn, and Love Bug from Boston.
All right, we have a caller. What's up, caller? Hello? 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 Because you not talk and then you not listen for you back on yourself. When you call, just talk. All right? Hello? 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 Boy, them a call ya, man, and a stop and a hang up. See, hello, caller? All right, the call gone. But people, you see, and Pinky Famous, I want to give them a number. Anybody who want to book Pinky Famous for any show, any parties, anything they want to book you for, give them the number so they can call it. Hello, we have a caller. Hello, caller? Yeah, what go on?
One too low.
I know, me, no.
Too low. Tisha from phase 1. She bad.
She bad, me not tell you, man.
Yes, she bad.
She bad, man. Me I tell you, she full of style and her voice and everything. She connect.
Man, big her up, man.
Yeah, man.
Big her
She's a
up.
big yo.
Thanks. And big up yourself too.
All right, big up phase 1. Yeah, man, you
Love
don't
your
know.
voice, girl, man.
Big up who you want, big up now. Phase 1, big up who you want, big up. Oh, she gone. So right now, I'm going to give them a number where anybody who want book Pinky Famous can call that number.
488-2438.
488-2438. Caller, hello? Hello? Yeah, what go on? We are here about your chip out. What go on?
Yes, yeah, man.
All right. Tell them the number again, Pinky Famous.
488-2438. And this, and in August, I got there British Virgin Islands, so look out for me.
Yeah, hello? You don't know. And that me tell you, so she get her tour them. Me telling you, now wrong with Pinky Famous, her thing lucky in. Yeah, big up our father, O'Neal Famous. You don't know music basket. And then me do the Blackberry song for you know. Yeah, you don't know. Orius Martin, where you worry yourself for? Where you worry yourself for? Yeah, I remember say, right now, she graduate and thing, right? I think you have a graduation the other day. Thursday gone, she graduate. And tell them which school you going to?
Bridgeport High School.
Bridgeport High School. So Bridgeport, don't know have a star come. No, sir. You know, to
and you see in
Bridgeport.
South Africa, education are going bad.
No, I'm if I tell you, we here we are going, man. Everything good. Now worry yourself, Pinky Famous. You're a real girl. Now worry yourself. Anyway, we are going to Super T and make Super T juggle some tunes for the people them calling, because you don't know. Pinky Famous in the building. Nobody hyper than Blacker. Shut it. Come in, Super T.
Hi viewers, my name is Ian Bennett and I am the host of In the Hot Seat. If you like the video you just saw and would like to see more of the same type of video, please click the subscribe button and the like button as we produce videos every Wednesday. Thank you.